Hey gearheads, welcome back to Car Trend, your go-to channel for the best in automotive rebirths, power, and design excellence. Today, we're diving into something that blends the golden age of American trucking with the technology of tomorrow, the 2026 Chevy Vintage Pickup truck. This truck isn't just a modern machine, it's a tribute to Chevrolet's legendary craftsmanship, bringing back that rugged charm of the 1950s and mixing it with futuristic performance and luxury. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2026 Chevy Vintage Pickup commands attention. Its design language instantly reminds you of the iconic Chevrolet 3100 from the post-war era: round headlights, bold chrome grille, and curvy fenders that scream nostalgia. But look closer, and you'll see a modern reinterpretation that gives this classic a whole new life. The LED headlamps are seamlessly integrated into the retro frame, the grille glows with a soft electric hue, and the aerodynamic body gives it a muscular yet sophisticated stance. It's like the past and future shaking hands in perfect harmony. Under the hood, Chevrolet has packed some serious innovation. The 2026 Vintage Pickup is powered by a twin-turbo V8 hybrid engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower and instant torque. For those leaning towards sustainability, there's also a fully electric variant with over 500 miles of range, thanks to GM's latest Ultium battery technology. Whether it's raw muscle or silent electric power, this truck gives you both, a true blend of heritage and modern engineering. Step inside, and the retro magic continues with a futuristic twist. The cabin is wrapped in premium saddle leather with brushed aluminum accents and digital displays that elegantly blend into the vintage-inspired dashboard. The infotainment system features a massive OLED touchscreen with advanced AI controls, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in voice command. The steering wheel carries that old-school Chevy design but with touch-sensitive controls embedded seamlessly. Every inch of the cabin tells a story of where Chevrolet came from and where it's boldly heading. Comfort and performance go hand in hand here. The adaptive suspension system adjusts automatically to terrain, giving you a ride smoother than ever before, whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling muddy trails. Add in advanced all-wheel drive dynamics and a reinforced aluminum frame, and this pickup proves that vintage doesn't mean fragile, it means timeless strength, reborn. What truly makes the 2026 Chevy Vintage Pickup stand out is its personality. It's not just a truck, it's a statement. It embodies American heritage, freedom, and craftsmanship, built for dreamers, doers, and anyone who believes in the power of legacy. The rear bed design pays homage to its roots, with polished wooden panels and stainless steel trim, reminding you that sometimes, old-school style can still outshine modern minimalism. Chevrolet has truly created something special, a bridge between generations of truck lovers. It honors the past while embracing the future, proving that innovation and nostalgia can ride side by side. So if you love classic design, modern technology, and pure American power, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Trend. There's so much more to come, and trust me, this is just the beginning of a whole new era of vintage rebirths on wheels. The 2026 Chevy Vintage Pickup truck, where history roars back to life with modern thunder.